Good day, all the dear students. This is section B of your first model paper. Now, this section B is also containing 40 marks. Here in this section, we have question 5 to question 11. It means 7 questions from which you have to select any 4. And you have to solve any 4 questions out of 7 questions. Question 5, A part. If the sum of first m terms of an AP is same as the sum of its first n terms, show that the sum of its first m plus n terms is 0. So let us see the solution of part A. Let A be the first term and D be common difference of given AP. So sum of m terms is equal to sum of n terms. Sm is equal to Sn. M by 2, 2a plus m minus 1d is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. From both the sides, 2 removed in the denominator. So now m 2a plus m minus 1d is equal to n 2a plus n minus 1d. 2am plus m minus 1d is equal to 2an plus n minus 1d. Opening the bracket, 2am minus 2an. From the right hand side, taking 2n on left hand side, and m minus 1d minus n minus 1d is equal to 0. Now again 2am minus 2an plus m minus 1 minus n minus 1 d is taken common is equal to 0. 2a common, m minus n in the bracket plus m square minus m minus n square plus n d is equal to 0. 2a m minus n plus, now m square minus n square together minus m minus n d is equal to 0. Taking m minus n common, we have 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. M minus n bracket is going in the denominator of 0 on the right hand side, so it becomes 0. We have left with 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now we want to find Sm plus n value, so here using sum of n terms formula, Sm plus n is equal to m plus n by 2, 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of that bracket, which is 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d, which we have already found as 0. So now m plus n by 2 multiplies 0 is 0. What we want to prove here we have completed. Again moving to question number 5, B part. This is matrix question. Let A is equal to 2, 1, 0, minus 2. B is equal to 4, 1, minus 3, minus 2. And C is equal to minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4. Determine A square plus AC minus 5B, 3 marks question. Now, section B, question 5B part, we are having matrix A, 2, 1, 0, minus 2, B is 4, 1, minus 3, minus 2, and C, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4. First of all, finding A square value by multiplying the matrix A with itself means 2, 1, 0, minus 2, 2, 1, 0, minus 2. Taking multiplication, 2 2s are 4 plus 0, 2 1s are 2 minus 2, 0 2s are 0 minus 0, 0 minus minus plus 4. So we have A square value 4004. 5B. So 5 multiplying matrix B is 4, 1, minus 3, minus 2. So by multiplying 5, we get 25 minus 15 minus 10. AC, A into C, for which 2, 1, 0, minus 2, which is your matrix A, and matrix C, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4. Multiplication, minus 3 2s are minus 6, 1 1s are minus 1. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 1 4s are 4. 0 into minus 3, 0 minus minus plus 2. 0 into 2, 0 minus 4 2s are 8. So we have minus 7, 8, 2 and minus 8 as AC matrix. Now taking resulting matrix as A square plus AC minus 5B, which is, now substituting values here, 4 minus 7 minus 20. Accordingly we are taking subtraction and addition. 0 plus 8 minus 5, then 0 plus 2 minus minus plus 15, 4 minus 8 minus minus plus 10. So first term minus 20, minus 7 minus 27 plus 4 minus 23, 8 minus 5 3, 15 plus 2 17, 10 minus 8 2 plus 4 6. So the final answer is minus 23 3, 17 6. So this is the method to solve this type of equation matrix. Moving on to question C of section B, question 5. Graph paper. We have to use the graph paper for this question. The points we are given: A point 2 3, B 4 5 and C 7 2, which are the vertices of triangle ABC. Write down the coordinates of A dash, B dash, C dash if triangle A dash, B dash, C dash is the image of triangle ABC reflected in the origin. Second, write down the coordinates of A double dash, B double dash, C double dash if triangle A double dash, B double dash, C double dash is the image of triangle ABC when reflected in the x-axis. Mention the spatial name of the quadrilateral BC, C double dash, B double dash and find its area. 4 marks question. See the solution of this question. First of all, we have to plot the points A, B and C. You can see which is in the first quadrant. Point A is 2 3, point B is 4 5 and point C is 7 2. Now the coordinates of A dash, B dash and C dash are minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 7, minus 2 respectively, which is under origin. Then the second answer, the coordinates of A double dash, B double dash and C double dash are 2, minus 3, 4, minus 5, 7, minus 2, which is reflection in x-axis. So we have the figure here BC, C double dash, B double dash is the trapezium. In the figure you can see it is forming trapezium. And we have to find area of trapezium. So area of the trapezium formula here is half the opposite sum of opposite sides of trapezium multiply the height, vertical height. So here B double dash plus C double dash multiplying CM. Calculate the number of boxes, or you can take the centimeters, as B dash here is 10 and C dash is 4. Substitute value half 10 plus 4 and the vertical height is 3. So half into 10 plus 4 14 multiply 3. So by calculation we get 7 3s are 21 square units as our area of trapezium. So by solving this much you will get 4 marks completed. So this is our section B question 5 part. Question 6. Find the A part is find the coordinates of point P which divides the joint of A 6 minus 5 and B 5 3 in the ratio 2:5. 3 marks question. So here is the solution of this question. Let the coordinates of P be xy, which is the point of intersection, We have the coordinates of A 6 minus 5 and of B 5 3. And the ratio we are given is m1 ratio m2 is equal to 2 ratio 5. So now x value here we will find x and y both the coordinates of point P. So substituting the formula of x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So 2, that is the m1 into x2 is 5 plus m2 is 5 multiply x1 is 6. In division 2 plus 5, that is m1 plus m2. Now 5 2s are 10 plus 5 6 are 30. In division 5 plus 2 7. So 40 by 7. Now y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So now substituting value in this equation, we have 2 multiply 3 plus 5 multiply minus 5 upon 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 2s are 6 minus 2 2s are 25, 5 5s are 25 upon 7, which is minus 19 by 7. So the coordinates of P are 40 by 7 and minus 19 by 7. So this is our question 6a solution. Now let us see question number 6b part. The volume of a metallic cylindrical pipe is 1408 centimeter cube. Its length is 14 centimeter and its external radius is 9 centimeter. Find its thickness. So here figure is already given to you. The volume also given and length, that is the height of this cylinder, is given. Also the external radius is given. So we want to find the thickness. See the solution. So R, the capital R is the external radius, which is 9 centimeter. The height or the length of the pipe is 14 centimeter. Small r is the internal radius. Then volume is given as 1408 centimeter cube. So substituting formula for the volume, V is equal to pi r square minus r square h. Pi r square h, but here this is the hollow cylinder and we want to find the thickness, that is why r square minus r square. So volume of pipe is 1408 is equal to pi value 22 by 7 multiply height is 14. So big R, that is external radius, 9 square minus small r square. So now 7 2s are 14, cancellation on right hand side, 22 2s are 44. 9 square is 81 minus r square. By 44 we can divide on left hand side 1408. So we get 32. So 32 is equal to 81 minus r square. So we get r square is equal to 81 minus 32. R square is equal to 49. So r is equal to 7 centimeter by taking square root. So thickness of pipe is capital R minus small r, which is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 centimeter. So this is the solution of question 6b question. Now moving on to question C. Question 6c part. Here is the figure given to us. PQRS is the cyclic quadrilateral. PQ and SR produced to meet at T. Prove triangle TPS is similar to triangle TRQ. Find SP if TP is equal to 18 centimeter, RQ is equal to 4 centimeter and TR is equal to 6 centimeter. Third is find the area of quadrilateral PQRS if area of triangle PTS is equal to 27 centimeter square. This is 4-mark question. Let us see the solution. We know that first of all we have to show triangle TPS and triangle TRQ similar. So by the figure we can say angle STP is equal to angle QTR, common to both, and angle TPS is equal to angle TRQ, which are the exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. In that relation they are equal. So triangle TPS is similar to triangle TRQ by AA similarity. As we know, in triangle two angles are equal, the third is always equal. Now once we have proved that triangle TPS is similar to triangle TRQ, so the corresponding sides of the similar triangles are always proportional. So we can write the ratio TR upon TP is equal to RQ upon SP. So why we are doing so? Because we want to find the value of SP. So other values we can substitute as TR 6, TP 18 is equal to QR 4 and SP we want to find out. So now SP is equal to 4 multiply 18 by 6 by taking crossway. So by cancellation we get SP value 12 centimeter, which is our answer. Second, now third is we want to find out the area of quadrilateral PQRS. So for that we know that the ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the corresponding side squares. So here area of triangle PTS upon area of triangle RTQ is equal to SP square upon QR square is equal to 12 square upon 4 square is equal to, you can cancel out 12 multiply 12 upon 4 multiply 4. So 4 3s are 4 3s are, it means 3 3s are 9 ratio 1. Also triangle PTS value is already given 27. So substituting it in the equation, so we get area of triangle RTQ as 3 centimeter square. Now area of quadrilateral PQRS. So for that we need to take subtraction of triangle PTS minus area of triangle RTQ. So PTS is 27 and RTQ we have found here 3. So 27 minus 3 is 24 centimeter square, which is our answer of question 3C part also. So here if prove that type question we are not having, but SP and this find the area of quadrilateral PQRS you can be asked in the exam. This is the 4-mark question. So here we have completed our question 6. Question 7 of this paper, in which A part is prove that type. So we are not solving it, omitted from your syllabus. Question 7 B part is how many terms of the GP must be added. That is also geometrical progression question, we will not solve. C part is find the missing frequency X of the following distribution if mode is 34.5. Actually this is also not in syllabus, but if you want to see I can show you the solution and explain you. So this is your question number C, in which we are given class, intervals and frequencies accordingly. Now actually this is the formula of mode which is not there in syllabus, so we are omitting this part also and I will not explain you. If you want to see, you can see the calculation here they have shown, but this formula is not introduced in our ICSE board syllabus, so I am leaving this question also. Question number 8. A part is if x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta and x sin theta is equal to y cos theta, show that x square plus y square is equal to 1. So let us see the solution of this question. A part, here x sin theta is equal to y cos theta we are given. Also x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta given. Now x sin theta is taken separate from x sin cube theta and sin square theta being separate, plus y cos cube theta as it is equal to sin square theta sin theta cos theta. Now what is x sin theta? It is y cos theta. So substitute the value of that. Instead of x sin theta, kept y cos theta, and rest all same. So now y cos theta taken common, and in the bracket we get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. Now as we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we have left with y cos theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. From both the sides cos theta get removed from y, so y is equal to sin theta. Now putting the value of y in equation 1. The equation 1 is the first one, which is x sin theta is equal to y cos theta, in which we substitute this y value. So we get x sin theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Now sin theta get removed from both the sides. We get x is equal to cos theta. So x square plus y square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta by substituting values of x and y. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is our solution number A part of solution 8. Now question 8 again. B part. Write down the equation of the line whose gradient is 3 by 2 and which passes through P, where P divides the line segment joining A minus 2 6 and B 3 minus 4 in the ratio 2:3. This is 4 mark question. Here gradient means slope is given and P is the division point of the line segment AB, and ratio also given to us. So we will find the equation. See the solution here of question 8b. x1 y1 is minus 2 and 6, x2 y2 is 3 minus 4, point B. m1 ratio m2 is 2:3. So division point P is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 upon 2 plus 3, 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into 6 upon 2 plus 3. By substituting values, 3 2s are 6 minus 3 2s are 6 upon 3 plus 2 5, 4 2s are 8 minus 8 plus 6 3s are 18 upon 3 plus 2 5. So 6 minus 6 becomes 0, 18 minus 8, 10 by 5 is 2. So we get P, the point coordinates are 0 2. Now the question is, we want to find the equation. So here we have the gradient 3 by 2 and now the value of the point coordinate P is 0 2. So we will find the equation of the line as y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Y minus 2, the y1 value is 2, is equal to m, the gradient or the slope is 3 by 2, and x minus 0, x1 value is 0. Now taking 2 on the left hand side in multiplication with both the terms, we get 2y minus 4 is equal to 3x. So by taking all the terms on one side, we get the equation as 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is our answer number B part of question number 8. Now see the question 3. If x, y, z are in continued proportion, prove that x square minus y square ratio x square plus y square is equal to x minus z ratio x plus z. This is our C part of question 8 solution. So now let us see our solution part of C question. X, Y, Z are in continued proportion. So we can write x upon y is equal to y upon z is equal to k. So x is equal to yk, y is equal to zk. Now again put the value of y in x. So x is equal to zk into k, that is zk square. Now we have to find the value or the proof that type question. So left hand side we have x square minus y square upon x square plus y square, which is given as ratio. So now substitute value of x yk square, so y square k square minus y square upon x square, which is y square k square plus y square. Now from the numerator y square common, in the bracket k square minus 1, in the denominator y square common, k square plus 1. So y square cancelled out. We have k square minus 1 upon k square plus 1 on our left hand side. Now the right hand side part of the solution is given as x minus z ratio x plus z. So we can write it as a fraction x minus z upon x plus z. Substitute the value of x as zk square minus z upon zk square plus z. Taking z common from numerator and denominator, so z upon z in bracket x square minus 1 upon z x k square plus 1. Z get cancelled. We have left with k square minus 1 upon k square plus 1. So which is same as our left hand side. So we have shown LHS is equal to RHS, means we can write our proof is completed. We have solved this question. So this is our final answer on the proof part completed of question number 8, C part. So this is the question number 8 we have completed. This is question 9. Question 9 contains only 2 questions. One is 4 marks and one is 6 marks. A part of this question is Ram wishes to start a 200-meter square rectangular vegetable garden. Since he has 50-meter barbed wire, he fences 3 sides of the rectangular garden, letting the compound wall act as the 4th side of the fence. Find the dimensions of the garden. This is our quadratic equation chapter 4 mark question. Let ABCD be the rectangular garden and CD acts as his house compound wall. So now here you can see the figure. AB length x meter we have taken and breadth BC y meter. According to the question, the area, which is x into y, x multiply y is equal to 200, which is our first equation. Also x plus 2y is equal to 50. Read the question again, you will understand that the compound wall is not fenced, 4th side is remaining. Okay, so means 2y, the breadth is 2 times, so 2y and only one part is fenced, one is left out, which is the CD part. So we have to add the 3 sides of the rectangular garden. So we get x plus 2y is equal to 50, which is our equation number 2. So now from equation number 2 we found x value is equal to 50 minus 2y. So now putting the value of x in 1. So we have 50 minus 2y into y is equal to 200. Now by multiplying y with both the terms in the bracket, we get 50y minus 2y square is equal to 200. Now taking all the terms on one side of this equation and forming quadratic equation as 2y square minus 50y plus 200 is equal to 0. Taken 2 common all over and divided by 2, we get y square minus 25y plus 100 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this. by taking hundredths factor to get middle term minus 25. So y square minus 20y minus 5y plus 100 is equal to 0. So y common from first two terms in the bracket y minus 20 minus 5 common in the bracket y minus 20 is equal to 0. So y minus 20, y minus 5 is equal to 0. We get two values as y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 20. So x value we can find out by first, if we substitute y is equal to 5, then 50 minus 2y, which is 50 minus 2 5s are 10. So we get 40. And if y is equal to 20 we substitute, then x is equal to 50 minus 2 into 20, that is 50 minus 40, 10. So here we get dimensions of the garden are 10 meter and 20 meter or 40 meter and 5 meter. So we get our answer of question number 9, A part. Now see the question number B of this question. The table below shows the distribution of the scores obtained by 120 shooters in a shooting competition. Using a graph sheet, draw an ogive for the distribution. Here two columns are given, score obtained as class intervals from 0 to 10 and last is 90 to 100, and the number of shooters are given. The question asked here are, use your ogive to estimate the median first, second the interquartile range, and the third is the number of shooters who obtained more than 75% scores. 6 marks question. So let us see the solution of this. See students, this is the ogive first. Here in the graph you have to form x and y axis. On the x axis scores are marked and on the y axis number of students are marked. So as you know, first of all we have to find the cumulative frequency, which is also shown here in the first column. It is very important to find cumulative frequencies. So CF column, how to find CF? First frequency as it is, then 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 16, 30, 30 plus 22, 52, 52 plus 26, 78, 78 plus 18, 96, 96 plus 11, 107, 107 plus 6, 113, 113 plus 4, 117, 117 plus 3, 120. It means our n value is 120. Now how do we plot the points here to make our ogive? That is upper limit and the cumulative frequency. Likewise we have to plot the points. So our first upper limit is 10 and the cumulative frequency according is 5. So the first point is 10, 5 marked here, you can see in this ogive. Second is 20, 15, 14 sorry. Then third is 30, 30. Then 40, 52. Likewise this ogive is formed, you can see. Now the thing is we want to find median from this. So students, here is the calculation how to find the median. So median formula is n by 2th term. So here we found from CF the total n value is 120, which we substitute in this equation. We get 60th term. But from the graph we have to find the median. So this 60 term you have to see on y-axis. See, on the y-axis you have to mark on 60 and then you have to draw the vertical line from where it meet the ogive, that is point A here marked already. So आपको एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बनाना है 60 से which will meet at A, and then you have to draw vertical line which you can see on x-axis as 43, which is your median answer. So here our median is 43. Now the second thing is interquartile range. So for that, we all know the formula is Q3 minus Q1. It means upper quartile minus lower quartile. So first of all, we have to find both the quartiles. Lower quartile Q1, which is 120 upon 4th term, 30th term. So this is 30 value. Upper quartile Q3 is 3 by 4. 128th term is equal to 90th term, which is 57. From where we found this? This we have to find from ogive again. So 30th term. So you see in the ogive 30, wherever 30 on the y-axis, from which you will draw the horizontal line, and where it meet the ogive, from where there you have to draw the vertical line. And you can see on the x-axis Q1, that is 30 value. Similarly, your Q3 value is 90. So you can see now 90 on y-axis, from which the horizontal line is drawn, which will meet the ogive, and then from that point the vertical line is drawn. So Q3 is 60 here we found. So 57, 60 se pehle hai. So that is 57 we found, and here we substitute the formula of interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 57 minus 30, 27. So likewise you can see here we get our interquartile range answer. Now the last question is, we have to find the number of shooters who obtained more than 75% score. So for that, the marks we have drawn on the x-axis, the score is on the x-axis. So we have to mark 75 first, and then from the 75 the vertical line is drawn, which is meeting our ogive at point B, and then from that point we have to draw the horizontal line, which will meet at 110. But the total number of shooters are 120. So we have to subtract 120 minus 110. So the number of shooters who obtain more than 75% is 10. So this way we have solved our both the questions of question 10. This is our question number 9, in which two questions we have seen the solutions. Next question is question number 10, in which A part is cyclic quadrilateral, but that is prove that part, so we are not going to see the solution. Question B is find the equation of a line. First, whose inclination is 45 degree and y-intercept is 5. Second, with inclination is equal to 60 degree and passing through minus 2, 5. And the third is passing through the points minus 3, 1 and 1, 5. See the solution of this question. B part, given the inclination theta is equal to 45 degree and y-intercept C is equal to 5. So now slope M is equal to 10 theta. Tan 45 degree is 1. Substitute the value of M and C in the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So we get y is equal to x plus 1 because m value is 1 and c value is 5. So the y first value is x plus 5. Now given second is theta 60 degree and the point is minus 2, 5. So the slope m is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Substitute in the equation y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. This is the 1 point formula for finding equation. So y minus 5 is equal to root 3 x plus 2. Opening the bracket on right hand side and taking minus 5 from left to right, we get root 3x plus 2 root 3 plus 5, which is the required equation. Now the third part of this answer, we have minus 3, 1 and 1, 5, 2 points given, which we will take as x1, y1 and x2, y2. We have to find the slope first using the values x1, y1, x2, y2 using formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 1 plus 3. That is 5 minus 1, 4 upon 4 is 1. Now using this slope, the equation of the line we have is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Y minus 1 is equal to 1x plus 3. So y is equal to x plus 4. Taking minus 1 on the right hand side, we get the final answer y is equal to x plus 4. So here we have completed question 10. C part also not there in your syllabus. Now question 10, A part. Here the share and dividend type of question in A, which is not there in your syllabus. Question B, which is height and distance. So an observer on the top of a cliff 200 meter above the sea level observes the angles of depression of the two ships to be 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the ships if the ships are first on the same side of the cliff and the second is on the opposite sides of the cliff. So this is 3 marks question here. Let us see the solution. Here there are two cases. First is ships on the same side of the cliff. See the figure drawn here. And AB here is the cliff, which is 200 meter. C and D are the two ships given, and the angles we are having is 45 degree and 30 degree. The positions are C and D, the ships, and so they are the angle of elevation we have drawn here, or angle of depression they are. Okay, so accordingly you can write the angle of elevation by alternate angle. So in the right angle triangle ABC, using tan 45 degree ratio 200 upon BC. So 1 is equal to 200 upon BC. So BC value is 200 meter. Now in right angle triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to 200 upon BD. So the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 200 upon BD. BD value is 200 root 3 meter. And value of root 3 is 1.732. So substituting it and multiplying by 200, we get 346.4 meter. Now we want to find the distance between the two ships. So we have to calculate CD value by taking BD minus BC. So BD value is 346.4 meters and BC 200. By subtracting them, we get 146.4 meter as our first answer, which is the case 1 in which ships are on the same sides of the cliff. Now see the second case in which the ships are on the opposite sides of the cliff. See the figure here in which C and D are the positions of the ships. They are the opposite sides of AB. AB is the cliff, and the according angle of depressions are 45 and 30. So now distance between the ship CD, that is BD plus BC. You need not find it again, the value of BD and BC. We have already found in case 1, which we will substitute here to get our CD value. 346.4 meter plus 200 meter, which is 546.4 meter as our second answer in second case. So this is the solution of height and distance question of question 11 B part. Again question C is you have to construct the circle, which is not there in your syllabus. So students, here we have completed our model test paper, all the questions of section B. Do practice it. Thank you.